Here we're having a look at the EarFun Air 2 NC Earbuds. And guys, pretty excited to look at these. It looks like they're packed with a heap of features. So you can see they're the stem type design earbuds. A bit more about some of the features which we'll talk about shortly, about what it comes with. And a bit more there about the back of it, about what it comes with. Interesting enough, it's got high-res audio, but also it's got immersive 3D sound through spatial audio. So it's going to be very interesting to see how that works, and also the noise cancellation there too. So it's going to pop out and have a look. They've also won a awards winner too. So got VGP 2024 Gold Awards, which is great to see earbuds winning awards. So start with, there's the instruction booklet, and quite a nice detailed instruction booklet too. As you can see, we'll get that to the side. And here are the earbuds themselves. So there's the case. Let's go and open this up. So there are the earbuds there themselves. So look at the earbuds first, and then look at what comes in the box afterwards. So pop open the earbuds, and as you can see there, they are there. Now you've got to take off the plastic when you first open them. Now again, they already feel like a very nice build. The earbuds taken out of the case feel like nice quality straight away. Nice kind of solid feel to them. We'll take them out and put them in, and as you can see, they're starting to charge too, which is good. The green light comes on, which means there's battery life. As you can see, they're pairing already with the blue light flashing too, which is great. Now look at the case, it's quite small, so there it is compared to the size of my hand. And there it is, USB-C charging again. And you've also got the button there as well to pair them to. So you can press that there. Let's go and take a close look at the actual earbuds. So you can see here, they are just here. Now they have adaptive noise cancelling on these, and they say it's up to 45 decibels of noise cancelling, which is quite good. We'll be testing that out obviously in our full review, so you guys can see that. They've also got Bluetooth 5.3, which is good for actual being able to transmit the sound. They've got high-res audio certified, so it's got LDAC decoding to play high-definition audio. So my iPhone does have high-resolution audio, so better play that on there. And they've got dynamic drivers built in. They've also got 6 mics built in, so you can see just there the mics on them. So 6 mics means it's got adaptive noise cancelling, so hopefully it'll be very, very clear on the calls. And there's where you put them into your ears as well. So very, very nice. It does multi-device connectivity as well. And you can use this through the EarFun app as well to personalize your device. So nice earbuds, and they feel good quality. And again, the stem design too. So I'm going to pop that back in. I want to just check what comes in the box as well. So put them just there. So here's the box. So here you've got the little box in here. And what does it come with? Well, we've got let's open it up. So you've got the earbud tips here, and you've also got the USB-C cable as well. So nice presentation as always with EarFun. Now battery life wise, so these come with 40 hours battery life, so 9 hours playtime in the actual earbuds themselves, and 31 hours charging case. It's got fast charging, and these are IPX5 water resistance. Has low latency gaming mode, Google Fast Pair supported, and it does have wireless charging as well. So absolutely packed with features. So check out my full review of these, but I hope you like how these look. The EarFun Air 2 NC Earbuds, packed with features.